Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel. In today's video we will revisit Manus AI again. Almost 2 weeks ago you needed to join the waitlist access and you will be waiting for a code. Sometimes it takes months until you get the access or the code, and at that time you will get almost 1000 or 1500 credits. It will be one time, but today the game changed and Manus AI, they are giving 300 on daily basis. You can see here you will get in the beginning 1000 credit, but on daily basis you will get 300 credits. So this is good news, and we will again today check Manus AI. We'll give them a prompt and we will see how will they react, or they will give the outcomes. So let's explore it together, because in last video even one of the comments they asked me if I have the code or I can share the code, and the code was for one person. But today you don't need the code, just go directly and access Manus and just try it and explore it yourself. So today we will just give Manus a task to do, and I'm thinking that we can ask Manus, for example, to create a website or an app map or an app. We can ask him, for example, something for educational purposes. So we will ask him, for example, if he can create an app or website that for educational purposes for children. How can they progress in reading, and if their parents, they can track it. So I will try to go for any AI. I will try to make a small and good prompt, then I will just put it here in Manus bar. This the prompt that we give to build a mobile app designed to help children from 4 to 10 to improve their reading skills through interactive story, phonics games, and daily reading challenges. We also here added separate parent dashboard where they can track. So we need them to track their children reading time, for example, monitor the progress and view quiz results. And we ask him to give it as a child-friendly interface with voice support. So I will just go and click, and we will see if that Manus is having the echo as they said or something different. We'll just check the output. So we'll go for send. Usually it take times. Browser notification. Manus will send notification when task. Okay, they will send when it is completed, but we will just be waiting. So here they are doing the process usually, and we'll be waiting until we get the results. Also, the message here, you can leave it. So the message, you can send messages anytime to modify task or information or stop current work. Feel free to leave this page. Manus will continue working in the background. So we will be waiting until they are finishing so we can see the process they are doing. But we are just interested in the final output of this app or website. So we will be waiting, then we will be back as soon as it's done. After he finished, he gave me the documentation in zip file, and also here he gave me this files, and here you can view all file and tasks. So I asked him to turn your creation into a website and deploy it permanently, and he started also the same process or other process. And it's almost 4 out of 7, so we'll be waiting again, then we will come back. Almost it took 10 minutes until we reach to this point. So we will be waiting because we need just to check the final outcomes. We are not interested to check those files and to understand them. I'm just interested to the final outcome to see if it is like helping or some other website like Bolt or others, they can like just compete with this. So we'll be waiting and we will not go a rush. Now we are done. So here we got the link, so you just need to click the links here and we will see how is the interface of this website. So he put it as Reading Quest Children Reading Skills app. So we can just look at it here. Interactive story. So if we have a story, so we'll go for previous, play, and next. This key features, so as we ask him to interactive stories, for example, and phonics games, daily challenges, it's likable. Parent dashboard, so but if we click here, we will not see anything, but I like the interface somehow is good. Age appropriate content, and they are mentioning here the appropriate content. Then this is child interface, so it will be almost like this. So you can have either story, you can have either games or challenges for the child himself. And here the dashboard of the parent, so they will get, for example, comprehensive tracking, data visualizing, and goal settings, weekly reports. Also, this is likable. So if there is an app like this, also the parent, they can follow up with their children and they understand their daily. So educational content, I like it. He put like classification for example, level 1, level 2, and level 3, and he put the range of ages. Also, he mentioned here that, for example, simple 3 to 7 word sentences, I like it. Simple and compound sentences. Also here he gives some examples. This is also fine and good. Also here he gives some games, so letter safari, word builder. Even the idea, I like it, because someone or a teacher, they can have the idea of this and they can build their own app with AI, and they can validate it later, and they could put some, for example, documentation or books, so it will be working with them. Parent dashboard, this is, I like it. So he mentioned that the time reading, for example, it's 3 hours 45 minutes, 5 books has been read, the new words 27. Also here they are mentioning the days. Magic seed, I can see it is somehow promising a little bit. System architecture overview, so here we can see a client application and background surfaces. You can get the data storage, technology stack, offline functionality. So if it is offline, it works or no. Security and privacy, somehow it's good. I like it. Like even the requirement here, content sample, this is documentation, it is somehow likable. Also here they put some information about the reading quest. To me, somehow it's fine. But so this is the interface of the website, the platform. You can also create your own, the one interested you more, or you can ask also the Manus to give you more visualizing, or like any question. Maybe even you can chat normally. But here we will see I went for the standard. Here if you go for high effort, you need to subscribe. This is, we need just to mention it again. And we will see how now I have 778 credits. I was like having 1000, all my 300 credits has been used. So also you need just to be aware of the credits. So almost like almost have here, it was like, I don't know, 1000, so no, 300 almost, let's say like it's something like this, and here 300 more, so you get like from almost 500 and more used for this just app creation. You can ask him anything, and this is as we said, this is Manus AI. Now you get it for free, and here you need to go for new task if you need a new task. And from here, if you have the notification, so they will give you any, like this is May 16 notification. Manus image generation, so you can generate an image, so you can get the notification. Also here the free credits, they mention it here. This is more information also you can get from the notification. So you need just to check the notification usually. And here, if you want to go for Manus app, this we also explained it in our video. If you go for Manus app here you can download the app, and if we go back and from here knowledge, if you add, for example, files, so you can add some files and you will get them here listed, and you can ask the Manus from your own file. So till here we are at the end of our video. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in our next video. But now you get free Manus AI with 300 credits every day. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.